Hello everyone, this is DA from E Academy, and today in this video we will be looking at our next playlist. But before going into the playlist details, I would like to say a huge thank you to all of you because E Academy is now a community of 11.2k members, and it's just because of all of you. So this love and support from all of you guys is the real motivation for me actually. So I would say keep supporting me if you like my efforts and the content that I create. Now let's jump into the details of the new playlist. The probable roadmap is all about data. I'm planning to add playlist related to data analytics because you know that it's a hype thing nowadays. Data analytics, data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI, and all of these things. And you all are aware that there are several resources on YouTube, as well as there are courses available on different platforms that you can go and check, as well as you can learn the basics, the advanced level, and all that. And so now you would ask that how this course and how this playlist would be different from all of the rest. So main target is to learn this by doing projects, and it would be mostly project based learning, and in this my focus could be on Python, but initially we'll look at some important statistical tools like Minitab and SPSS along with Python, and we'll see how we can interpret things from them. So from now on in our videos we will state a problem, we'll initially see what the project is and how we can solve that particular problem, or how we can solve that particular project together. So see you in action in the next video. Take care.